Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you turn off shuffle on Spotify. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna open up my Spotify real quick. And now if I go to a playlist, for example, this is my playlist. So now if I were to play any song, it would just randomly go to some other song. I'm not gonna play it because I don't want any copyright strikes here. But where is this? So next to this is rung, right? It will go to some other song. So that means my shuffle is on. So my shuffle can be turned off by pressing this button, which is right next to the previous song button. Now if I press on that and the green color goes away, it means the shuffle is off. Additionally, what you can do is you can also go to the top of your playlist, and right next to the play button there is another button that you can press to toggle between shuffle. Green color means it's on, green color off, or the gray color means is off. So that is how you turn off shuffle on Spotify. If this video was helpful, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.